The GoPro, without a doubt, is one of the most popular cameras on the planet right now. You can't go to any Mustang event without seeing GoPros all over the cars and in the hands of all the people attending the event. Well, today we're looking at some very unique mounting options for the GoPro from Mob Armor. This is the Action Cam bundle from Mob Armor. It gives you some very unique ways to mount your GoPro camera. Let's take a look inside and show you the different options. So when you open it up, first off I want to mention it does obviously not include a GoPro. They have a location for it, so you can take your GoPro if you're traveling, put it in this nice carrying case. What it does include is 3 different unique mounts for the GoPro. First one we're going to discuss is called their Claw. This is actually a very unique mount. Your GoPro will mount to the top of this using the original style mount, but then the Claw here opens up and can basically grip anything. A harness bar, roll bar, anything round, even a flat surface, you can clamp onto this to hold it in place. And you just basically screw this down, it gives it a nice tight mount. Now the other 2 brackets are going to be magnetic. This is the first one here. This has a very strong magnet, but with a rubber cover over it, so it's not going to damage a painted surface. This is a pivoted mounting one. So this actually can go up and down, side to side, give you all kinds of options for a magnetic mount. And the last mount they include is also, again, another heavy-duty magnetic mount, but this is going to be a flat mount. So this will go to a flat surface, doesn't have the pivoting, but it's a much lower profile, making it easy to mount. And also included in the package is a whole bunch of accessories. I'll show you the kind of the important stuff in here. Gives you additional mounts for the GoPro. They give you a bunch of these Mob Armor plates. These are basically double stick metal plates you can stick anywhere you would like to put the magnetic mount that's not necessarily a magnetic surface. So if you want to stick one of these to your windshield, you can actually use the mount, stick it right on with a magnet. So what we're going to do now is actually install the Mob Armor brackets into our car and give you guys some footage. The first thing I'm going to do is actually stick it on the outside window using one of the magnetic mounts. Then the secondary footage will be from inside, mounted to the roll bar. The Action Cam bundle from Mob Armor gives you a lot of really cool options to mount your GoPro and get some excellent footage of your Mustang. Plus it's very simple to use. We put the plate on, pop the magnet off when you're done with the camera, stick it right back on and it's not going to move. I mean, much easier than a suction cup, all kinds of different angles. Great way to get footage of your Mustang.